Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. Today I have this really pretty abstract shades of brown set that I created. So I wanted to show you guys how I made those. I used the natural Coffin long by Apres, and then I already measured them out. I did a size medium, which is numbers 1, 5, 4, 6, and 8. So then I just measure them out, I buff them, put them on their stands, and then we start the set. So I left this buffing section in so that you guys can just kind of see how I prep my nails before I start a set. Okay, so now that they are all prepped, it is time to go in with our base coat. I am using Undressed by IGel Beauty. It is such a pretty nude color. Their new collection, I'll try to link it down below, like this exact collection that I'm using right now. It's like a newer one, and it's a lot of nudes and neutrals and stuff, I believe. So I'm gonna link it because every single one that I did buy from that collection is beautiful. So if you're looking for nudes or neutrals, I'll definitely link that collection down below so you guys can see it. But yeah, so I'm just going in with Undressed. I'm gonna go in with 3 coats, and then we will be going in with a matte top coat and then going in with our abstract art. So here's what they're looking like, and here is the matte top coat that I am using. I will again have that link down below. It's in my Amazon storefront as well, and then this is what it looks like. This is one of the best matte top coats that I have gotten from Amazon, so if you're looking for a good matte top coat, I highly recommend it. These are the colors that I will be using for the abstract art, and I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch this part really quick. So I'm just gonna be putting the polish on the little palette that I have, and then we'll get into the actual art. Okay, and then I was going to use this glitter on one of the colors and I completely forgot, so I didn't end up using it. But I did use this clear powder to make it like that texture look. It was so cool. Okay, so now I'm finally putting the colors on the palette, and I was gonna do lines like that, but then I was like, I don't know why I did that, because I was thinking I was doing marble, I don't know. So yeah, so all you need is just a little bit of color from each of them, and then we're gonna go ahead and do this art. I did leave it on 2 times speed, just because it's just a lot of like lines, so I don't feel like it needed to be in real time. I just wanted you guys to kind of see how I did the lines. So yeah, that's all I'm doing, and because we already put our matte top coat on, the nails are sealed. So now with any art that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna instead of doing top coat, I'm gonna do the powder, so that way they get a cool texture to them. And then I will show you guys how I did the glitter polish, because I didn't put powder over that, I just put top coat over that. So I'll show you guys how I went ahead and did that without getting the top coat on anything else. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch this part, and then I will chime in a little bit. Okay, so now I am putting the powder on top of the wet gel polish. After we're done adding all the powder all over it, we are just gonna cure it so that way the powder sticks to the gel now, and that's it. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and repeat that with all the rest of the nails, and I'm gonna let you guys watch the abstract artwork that I did. It was just very random, and I just wanted to draw, I don't know, random lines all over the nails, and I think they came out really cool. I loved the shades of brown. I was thinking of doing another one, I don't know, shades of gray, or I don't know. I think that would be cool if I did like a milky white base in matte and then do shades of gray or shades of pink. Ooh, that sounds fun for winter. So yeah, I might recreate these using winter colors. We'll see. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys go ahead and watch this process. It was really fun. I do one color at a time, so that way I'm not cleaning my brush so much. So instead of doing one nail at a time, it's just one color on all of the nails, and then I went ahead and put the powder, cured it, and then repeat the process. So yeah. Okay, so now that we did all of the first color, we're gonna go in with the second color and just like draw exactly the same shape in a different line, different color, and then we're gonna put the powder over that, and that is it. We're gonna repeat the process for all of the colors, and I left all of it in for you guys so you can see. So I'm just gonna let you guys pretty much watch this, and then I will come back when I get to the glitter gel polish so that I can show you guys how I did that. And that's really it for this video. These nails were so fun and so easy to create, and then just giving them that little bit of texture I felt like made them look so cool, and it made like the different colors stand out. So yeah, I loved this set. If you guys recreate it, definitely show me. If you have any questions, let me know down below. If you like this video, definitely hit that like button, subscribe. I am uploading every Monday and Friday as of right now, and yeah, it's pretty much all just ready to ship press-on nails with fun designs. So if you like that, I'm here for you. If you have any questions, if you have any requests, I got you guys. Let me know. Okay, so I'm just gonna dust them really quick, and this is what we are looking like. I think it looks so cool, and you can like see the texture. I'm obsessed with this set. So now I'm gonna go in with that glitter, and I'm just gonna follow the outer line. So I wanted all of the colors to be like go from dark to light, and then I wanted the glitter at the very end. So yeah, they came out exactly how I wanted them to. I am sad I forgot to use the glitter though, because I was going to use instead of the powder on one of the colors, I was going to use some glitter, and I think that would have looked so cool. So I'm definitely going to do that when I do the gray set. But yeah, this is all I'm doing now, is just all you have to do is the glitter line, and then cure it, and then we'll go in with top coat over the glitter line, and that is it. Finish file, box, and they are ready to ship. Okay, so that is what we are looking like. Now we're gonna go ahead and get this top coat, and I just put a little bit on the tip of my brush. I put it on the palette, like a little dab, and then get some on the tip of your brush, and then just carefully follow the glitter line, and you're gonna want to cure immediately, like do a flash cure, so that way the top coat doesn't bleed anywhere else, and then you're good to go. And then so do a flash cure and then do a full cure in between each set, so do it like immediately. But yeah, so just so that the top coat doesn't like go over the acrylic powder or anything like that and like mess up our design. So that's it. And this is the last one, and then I'm going to show you what they look like complete and all next to each other. So this is what they look like. I think they came out so cool. Like, I don't know, I just think they look so cool. I'm obsessed. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys recreate these. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye.